Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically join to CapCut PC Pro on CapCut PC. So just just go to like a project and there's going to be this Join Pro section. So join Pro and make sure you have signed in. I'm just going to sign in with TikTok real quick. Now, once you've logged in, you can then select the plan that you want to purchase. There's monthly, yearly, a year, and just 1 month here. And you're just going to select purchase. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!